Hi, welcome to another video. So, Anthropic has launched a new model, and it's called Claude 4.5 Haiku. They say that Claude Haiku 4.5, their latest small model, is available today to all users. What was recently at the frontier is now cheaper and faster. 5 months ago, Claude Sonnet 4 was a state-of-the-art model. Today, Claude Haiku 4.5 gives you similar levels of coding performance, but at 1/3 the cost and more than twice the speed. They say and claim that this model is basically Sonnet 4, but lower in cost. It is available now on Claude Code and their apps, and is a drop-in replacement for those models. They show some charts and stuff about how great it is. This is also a reasoning model, so keep that in mind. Now, how true is it? Well, it's basically worse than Claude 4 Sonnet in almost every way, and it may be the worst model I've seen in a while. So, let's get into the testing. To start, this is the floor plan it makes. I mean, it's a floor plan, but it just doesn't make sense from any angle. I don't think it would make sense for anyone. The walls are all over the place, and it's really bad for a model that's supposed to be on the level of Sonnet 4. So, yeah, this is bad. Then we got the SVG of a panda holding a burger, and, well, this is also really bad. It looks like a panda, but it's just very bad at laying out things and stuff like that. So, yeah, it's really bad. Then, we got a Pokeball in ThreeJS, and, well, this is also pretty bad, and not anything useful. The chessboard is also really bad. Similarly, a web version of Minecraft is also really bad. And the butterfly in the garden is fine, but nothing extraordinary. The CLI tool and Blender script don't even work. This makes it a new generation model from a leading AI lab that scores the lowest on my tests. It ranks in the 34th and 37th positions on the chart, respectively. It's really bad in raw tests. Like, it's just bad. I never thought I'd see this day. It's really, really bad. GPT-5 Mini, at least in these tests, is an insanely better alternative. By the way, I ran these tests maybe more than 5 times, and it's just bad. But this doesn't mean it isn't good for anything, right? So, I tried the Agentic tests with it as well, and let's look at them one by one. I tested it with Claude Code, so it's an official implementation. To start, this is the movie tracker app. I mean, it doesn't even show up. It throws a 404 error, which is insanely bad for a model supposed to be a drop-in replacement for Claude 4 Sonnet. Similarly, moving forward, the Go terminal calculator is pretty atrocious as it produces errors, isn't laid out properly, and it's just bad. Then we got the Godot game, which is something it might be good at, but it isn't. It just shows errors everywhere. Needless to say, the OpenCode repo is pretty bad. It's super bad in Svelte, Nuxt, and Tauri as well, which also makes it one of the worst performing AI coding agents so far. This is a model that I don't even know why it exists. It's so bad that it's atrocious. If this is made for things like summarization or structuring, then it's of no use because it costs too much compared to those types of models. This makes it a really bad AI coder as well. Now, I think it's a great time to talk about Anthropic. So, I think that 3.5 Sonnet by Anthropic was a fluke or a stroke of luck. It somehow turned out really good at coding with whatever training data they had, and after that model, they've just lost it. The Sonnet 3.7 with reasoning was just that same model with reasoning added. Sonnet 4 was not a major improvement, and neither is Sonnet 4.5. It's a downgrade in many areas. Now, their model structure and pricing don't align with OpenAI. OpenAI has 3 models, GPT-5, GPT-5 Mini, and GPT-5 Nano. Anthropic also has 3 models: Opus, Sonnet, and Haiku. Now, Sonnet here translates to GPT-5 in OpenAI's lineup, and Haiku is the equivalent of GPT-5 Mini. But there's no Nano model from them. If you don't know, Nano and Mini models are something that a lot of companies use for structuring, summarization, and similar tasks. This model, I think, is made to make companies fully switch to their APIs, and it's not made for consumers. This is a model specifically trained on benchmarks and offered to enterprises for unnecessary tasks, which is a big chunk of money Anthropic would have been losing. I cannot fathom how a company like Anthropic can produce such an atrocious model for this cost. GLM 4.6, which is an insanely better model, costs around $0.5 to $1.75 per million input and output tokens. And this one is like 3 times higher in price for nearly 200% lower performance. I used to really respect Anthropic for not training on benchmarks, but now they're becoming big. They want to produce models at consistent speeds, push for enterprise use, and inflate their valuations. But they can't do that without showing big numbers on benchmarks, because investors don't really care about how the model performs in real use. They care about the benchmark numbers, and it's an easy way to impress them by claiming you're pushing the frontier at low cost or whatever. It's a really bad model, and I can't exaggerate that enough. I'll do a video on it where I'll run tests with it and with Sonnet to see if it's any better there. But yeah, it's really bad. In no way will I tell anyone to use this model. Use GLM 4.6, GPT-5 Mini, or Claude Code Fast. These are all really good options for a cheaper price. This is a model I won't recommend, and I don't expect this from any model provider. That's about it. You can try it out for yourself for free on Kilo Code as well. It gives you $25 in free credits, which is pretty great, and you can check it out. They're working on some fixes to make it perform a bit better, so we'll see about that. That's mostly about it. Let me know if you guys are feeling the same way. Overall, it's pretty cool. Anyway, share your thoughts below and subscribe to the channel. You can also donate via Super Thanks option or join the channel as well and get some perks. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.